Hello everyone, Shanta here. Hope you guys are having a great day. Excuse my voice a little off. I'm just waking up. So I wanted to come in and share with you guys how I make my spray. Someone asked me to show them how to make the DIY shimmer spray. I did say what I used in the video, but I know that we're all, some of us, like including myself, are visual creatures. I need you to show me sometimes before I can get it. So for other people, this is real, of course it's simple and easy because that's the way I roll. But nevertheless, I did want to honor their request before I forget. So only thing that I use is, this is an old bottle of iridescent medium. You get it from Hobby Lobby. This is an old bottle because I've had this for so long. The new bottles of this are plastic. They're plastic now. So, but it's by the same company in Hobby Lobby in the art section. So the only thing that I use is this and water. Now I don't use regular tap water. My husband pays for us to get, you know how when you go to doctor's offices and stuff, you can put the cup on and the water comes out the little thingy. We have one of those. My husband gets that water for us to drink. And I use that water to mix my mediums with. I'm sure tap water would be fine. I just don't use it for my crafts. But this is iridescent medium. It's made for watercolors and stuff like that, so it is safe. And as you can see, like I said, I've had this bottle for years, and it's about right here on the bottle. Let me see, make sure this thing focus just in case. Yeah. Excuse me. So it's right here on the bottom. So this will last you to eternity. But I had misplaced this bottle once. I wanted to make me up some more spray. And I went back to Hobby Lobby and bought another one. That's how come I know that they're plastic. But of course, as soon as I went and bought it, I found this one. It was a snake. It was right there in my face. I found this one. But all you need is that and water. Just regular water. And the only thing I can say is this is the bottle that I always show in the video. That's why I have it labeled so I can remember what is in here. Because I have made shimmer sprays with other stuff. This is my easiest and best. The only thing I can say is if you don't have enough shine, just add more of the iridescent medium. You do have to shake it up. And this, I actually put way too much in this bottle, which is why I just continue to add water. But for demo purposes, for my visual learners that's like your girl, because I be needing to see, honey. So I'm just shaking this up. Because you know you want to get all the pigment from the bottom. So what have y'all been doing? I haven't did a video in so long. Y'all is just rough out here in these streets trying to make this money. And I have to keep working because my husband ain't going to give me the money that I be wanting to go shopping. When I want to buy something, I be want to buy it. So I had to keep me a J-O to the B. Okay, that should be good enough. So let me know what y'all been doing. I have been trying to make some projects, but honey, like I said, the struggle has been real. So I'm just going to open this up. I don't need any more in here, but I'm just going to add a little bit more anyway. And the spray bottle, these spray bottles, I want to say more than likely I ordered these in bulk from offline somewhere. I know you can get them from not Michael's, what that place called? Walmart. You know, like in the, I think Walmart as well. Ooh, this thing, I can't even get this open. Okay, woo. So you see how it look. So yummy. And I don't want to mess up my backdrop. That's all I'm going to put because I don't need any. And what I do, because I put too much in this bottle the first time around trying to be extra, because you know I can get extra, I just add more water. So once it get down, just add more water to it because you truly don't need but a little. See. And that's it. And you Gucci. You Gucci after that. And once it go to the bottom, just shake it up. See there? Woo! Girl. If this was body safe, I'd spray my face and everything. My body give me a shine like they do in the makeup world for the summer. But I don't think I can do all that with this. So I better get somewhere and sit down with that one. Because it don't say this body safe. But yep, so that's it. I just want to come in and run my mouth for a few minutes just to see how you guys are doing. Hope you guys are having a great day. Keep the faith, and I'll be back with a video. And whoever asked me to show this to you, I hope this helps, okay? But girl, all you need is this brand of iridescent medium and some water, and keep it pushing. Get your spray bottle. All right, guys. Bye.